everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Cecilia Karimi Homestead. So today I'm making chicken, roasted chicken, and here I have the ingredients. I have the chicken, I have oil, I have rosemary, garlic, turmeric, and ginger. And so I shall start preparing the ingredient first, and then I'll show you the process as we go on. Okay, so for me guys, I prefer preparing it naturally, where I'm using them from the farm. So here I will start by creating the ginger, and also I'll create all the ingredients, these that need to be created. Yeah. And then for rosemary, I'll cut it into small pieces. Then here we come. Have chicken. First I'll wash it. So once I'm done washing, I'll put the ingredients. And I forgot to tell you, we still have to put some salt. So first I have to add salt. Mix it well. Then put some oil. Then I have to add my ginger, garlic, and turmeric together with the rosemary all together. I think I have to add turmeric. So the preparation is done. We shall keep it for 10 minutes for it to marinate. Yeah. So guys, today is my first time to try cooking chicken with the pressure cooker. So I don't know how will be the results. I don't know how it will come out, but I'm hoping for the best. It has rested for 10 minutes and now it's time to put in the pressure cooker. So let's go. This is how we close it. Then once we closed, we make sure it's well closed. Then we turn on. It has this lightening. Now we have to set how many minutes it will take. As you can see, there is option here. Option for chicken, it will take 15 minutes. And so we shall come here and roll this one. 15. You can set it 15, even 20. Let's try with 20 because we want it dry. So we put it 20. And now wait for 20 minutes. So it's time to see the results. Wow. So our chicken, this is the outcome. The outcomes looks like this. So guys, thank you for watching my video. You can try this at home. You can try to roast the chicken. Yeah. Thank you for watching.